Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are on plan B of our hiking. I'm here with Noah, who I did this summer. We did a backpacking trip from Saddleback to Sugarloaf, which was a really fun trip. But now it's the winter season, so we wanted to go for a winter hike. Now, our original plan was a very ambitious 12-mile hike through deep snow, and we started off on that, but really didn't feel like it was good to keep going. The wind was blowing hard. It was hard breaking trail through the snow, and we just didn't feel super good about it. So we decided to turn around. We went back to the car, reassessed, and decided to do a shorter hike. We're just hiking into a waterfall here. We are in Andover, Maine, and we are hiking to Dunn Falls, which I have actually filmed before on the channel a long time ago, but I've never seen it in the winter. It should be nice. We are breaking trail out to it, but it's only 2 miles for the full trip, so not bad at all. Should be a good day. It was really windy at the other spot we were at, but here it's pretty calm. So let's enjoy a nice winter hike. Okay, it's 0.7 to the junction where we will head towards the falls. Don't fall down in the gully. Yeah, we took the steep approach. Deep powder for sure, but as long as you're going downhill at all, gravity does the work for you. It's going uphill, this is a real challenge, but thankfully it's not too much of that on this hike. This rock is a testament to the depth of the snow out here.
That is some deep snow.
So we've been hearing snow periodically shifting, and you can see right here there's actually a crack. This whole sheet of snow just shifted. There's kind of a steep bank here. You can see all the snow piled up over there, but right now, like on the presidential range in New Hampshire, there's avalanche alerts and everything. Obviously what we're doing today is there's no danger of that, but it's just kind of a small scale version of it. So good to be aware of it for sure. And it's kind of cool in this case. This is it. We made it to Dunn Falls. It is frozen solid, which is not too surprising. It's pretty cool nonetheless. If you had all the proper ice climbing gear, it would be pretty epic to climb it. But the snow is, like I said 100 times, deep out here. It's especially like in wherever there's a trough that just filled it up. It's just perfect right now. The sun's out and it's not windy or protected from the wind, that is. And yeah, even though we didn't do what we intended to do originally, this is definitely a good substitute. Well, we made it back to where we started. We just have a short uphill climb back up to the road, but this was a wonderful hike and still a good challenge, even though it was only 2 miles. We really had to work for it with that deep snow. But the sun just feels so good, and just all the fresh snow coating everything. It's really nice. So we're glad that we got to be out here. I'm glad I got to share it with you. I still wanted to bring you along, even though it was a little bit shorter than my usual adventures. But thank you for watching, and until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and I will see you from a much warmer place. Goodbye.